This video will show you how we repair a Damsak. First we clean it with a cloth and acetone, and we clean it on the outside and the inside. Then we cut a patch that we're going to put on the inside of the Damsak. Orbit is going to weld that Damsak now to the inside patch. The plastic welding is done with a special plastic welder. It regulates the temperature very accurately and it blows air out. So it's a hot air welder. It takes quite a bit of skill to master this welding. It's easy to underweld or overweld the Damsak material. You know your temperature is right when you see a little bit of smoke coming out. Then you know that the plastic is being heated up to the correct temperature. Now we're going to apply a patch on the outside of the tier as well. We also clean the patch with acetone. So Orbit is now welding the patch on the outside of the tear onto the Damsak. This method of repair ensures that the Damsak is now stronger where the tear was than it used to be.
Well done. Now you can smile for the camera.